Good afternoon, everyone. This is Vadko Academy, and welcome to this video. So in this video, we are going to look at converting units in physics. So this is very fundamental, more especially when it comes to derived units and also basic units. So in physics, normally when you're looking at maybe the density as well as the volume or even just the mass of an object, it is actually very fundamental to be able to convert from one unit to another unit so that we can provide the correct answer as required. Okay, so for those who are new to my channel, please make sure that you do subscribe to my channel for more information and so that you don't miss any updates. Okay, so we are looking at converting the units that are in meters to centimeter cubic. Okay, so example. Okay, so convert the following. Convert the following units. Okay, so number one, for example, 12, let's say 12 cubic centimeters to meter cubic. And also maybe number two, let's convert 100, let's say 100 meters, 100 meter cubic to centimeter cubic. Okay. So now what we're supposed to do is for us first of all to understand the conversion unit. Okay, the conversion unit is very important. Okay, so 12 cubic centimeter and also 100 to okay, so the conversion units between meters and cubic meters, for example, or should I say just between centimeter cubic and meter cubic. Now the most important thing to understand is that this cubic meter we are just referring to as the volume. So this is the volume that you are looking at. So it's very different the way you convert the length of a certain unit as the way you convert also the volume of the same unit. Okay, now what is the relationship between centimeter and meters? First of all, let's just start from the length perspective. So we are going to say that we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So this is what we call the conversion unit. So conversion the conversion unit between a meter and a centimeter is this. So that's the most fundamental thing that you need to know. So meaning, now the fact that we are dealing with volume, you just have to raise this to the power 3. You raise this to the power 3 because volume is a three-dimensional quantity, anything to do with a volume or rather unit. So we raise it to the power 3. Now, we have to understand that we have been given 12 centimeters, 12 cubic centimeters. So, in that case, I'm going to put x equals to 12. Okay, so you have to ensure that the cubic centimeter align with the cubic centimeter and the meter align to the cubic meter. Then what you do is, you know what this means, that this 100 to the power 3 means that I'm multiplying 100 by 100, or should I say that this 100, meaning that 100 power 3, or that is in bracket, this implies that you're saying that 100 multiplied by 100, again 100. So we are multiplying that 3 times. Okay, so that's the meaning of that. So now this can now be simplified as how many zeros? Meaning 6 zeros. So it will be 10 to the power 6. So meaning I can remove this part. This part is going to be 10 to the power 6. Okay, meters cubic. And also this part, 1 to the power 3. 1 to the power 3 is just 1 to the power 3 is just 1, and m to the power 3 is just m to the power 3. So then I can cross multiply. Okay, I can cross multiply now. So I'm going to have x multiplied by 10 to the power 6, which is just 10 to the power 6x, and equals to x. 12. So meaning this is 10 to the power 6, x is equal to 12. So what you do is you're looking for x, you divide both sides by 10 to the power 6, as well as 10 to the power 6. So now this goes. So now my x is going to be like, you now divide this, what can I say, 10 to the power 6 divided by into 12. So I'm just going to have, this is more like 1 million. Then when you use your calculator, okay, so when we use our calculator, what's going to happen is we are going to, meaning 12 divided by 1 million. So you just get 0.0000, meaning 4 zeros after the decimal, and the 1, 2, meaning that is meter cubic. Okay. So this is going to be a 0.000012 meter cubic. So this is the answer, or you can now just say therefore the volume in meter cubic is 0.000012 meter cubic. So now this one can also be put in standard form as you move the decimal place or the decimal point to the right. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 0.245. So it will be 1.2 times 10 to the power negative 5 meter cubic, meaning that the negative is simply because this number is less than 1. So as you are moving from left to right, the power as a negative has got the negative. Okay, so that's how you can go about for changing 12 cubic centimeter to meter cubic. So this is about volume. So make sure that you understand what kind of unit are you changing. Is it the length? Are you dealing with the volume? Or are you dealing with any other? Okay, but for the volume, meaning you have to cube the conversion factor or the conversion unit. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like for more information so that you don't miss our posts. Okay, so now number 2 is about 100 meters cubic to centimeter cubic. So remember that 1 meter is equivalent to 100 centimeters. And then since you are dealing with volume, so you have to cube both sides, which can just be 1 meter cubic is just equal to 10 to the power 6 cubic centimeters. So that's what you can do. Then now from there, we know that we want to change this 100 to cubic centimeters. So we're going to put the 100 this side and the x this side. So all you do is just cross multiply, and then you're going to have 100 multiplied by 10 to the power 6 is equal to x. So we have the 100 multiplied by 10 to the power 6 equals to x. So we can also write this 100, okay, this 100 as just 10 to the power 2, okay, multiplied by 10 to the power 6 equals to x. And now applying the laws of indices, multiplying the same base and the symbol there, the math operation is a multiplication, so just say 10 to the power 2 plus 6 is equal to x, and this will just give you 10 to the power 8 cubic centimeters equals x. So therefore 10 to the power, so therefore the volume is 10 to the power 8 centimeter cubic, okay, which is just 8 zeros. So this is the answer. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and make sure you do subscribe to the channel for more information. Remember, this is a Vadco Academy. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.